Unlocking Wealth, your guide to success with AI. In the not-so-distant past, artificial intelligence was merely a concept confined to science fiction novels and movies. Fast forward to 2024, and AI has become a transformative force, a goldmine for those who understand its potential. Welcome to the AInvation channel. Today, we are going to delve into the world of AI and explore 3 ways how you can leverage this technology to achieve financial success. Investing in AI stocks, the first step to wealth. In today's dynamic financial landscape, the path to wealth generation is constantly evolving. While traditional investment avenues like real estate and bonds remain relevant, there's a revolutionary force that's reshaping the investment landscape. Investing in AI stocks has emerged as the first step to wealth for many forward-thinking individuals. Let's explore why. The AI revolution, unveiling a new era. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It's a present-day reality. The AI revolution has disrupted industries across the board, from healthcare and finance to retail and autonomous vehicles. AI-driven technologies are enhancing productivity, efficiency, and decision-making at an unprecedented scale. Why invest in AI stocks? 1. Exponential growth potential. AI is not a trend, it's a transformative force that's here to stay. Companies at the forefront of AI development are positioned for exponential growth. As AI applications expand, so do the profit margins of these visionary enterprises. 2. Diverse investment opportunities. AI's influence extends into various sectors, providing diverse investment options. Whether you're interested in tech giants harnessing AI for data analysis or startups focusing on niche AI applications, there's an array of opportunities to explore. 3. Resilience in uncertain times. AI companies have demonstrated resilience even during economic downturns. The pandemic, for instance, accelerated the adoption of AI-driven solutions in remote work, healthcare, and e-commerce. Investing in AI stocks can be a defensive strategy against economic uncertainties. Where to invest in AI stocks? 1. Tech titans. Industry giants like Alphabet, Google, Nvidia, and Microsoft are heavily invested in AI research and development. They offer stability and the potential for significant returns. 2. AI-exclusive ETFs. Exchange-traded funds that focus exclusively on AI-related stocks provide diversification and a simplified way to invest in this sector. 3. Startups. Keep an eye on emerging AI startups that are disrupting industries. While they come with higher risks, they can offer substantial rewards if they achieve market success. Cautionary notes for AI stock investors. While investing in AI stocks holds immense potential, it's essential to approach it with caution. Here are some cautionary notes for AI stock investors. 1. Volatility. Like any evolving technology sector, AI stocks can be volatile. Be prepared for fluctuations in stock prices. 2. Thorough research. Invest time in researching the companies you plan to invest in. Understand their AI strategies, financial health, and competitive advantages. 3. Diversification. While AI stocks offer exciting opportunities, it's wise to diversify your investment portfolio to mitigate risk. Investing in AI stocks represents the first step on the path to wealth in the AI era. This transformative technology is reshaping industries, and those who invest wisely stand to benefit. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, exploring the world of AI stocks can open doors to financial prosperity in an increasingly AI-driven world. AI-powered entrepreneurship, your gateway to success. Entrepreneurs, this is your moment. AI can supercharge your business operations. Chatbots streamline customer service. Data and analytics uncover hidden insights, and machine learning optimizes processes. Start exploring AI-driven solutions tailored to your industry, and watch your business flourish. In today's digital age, entrepreneurship has taken on a new dimension, and the integration of artificial intelligence has opened doors to unprecedented opportunities. AI-powered entrepreneurship has become a game-changer, providing individuals with the tools they need to create and sustain wealth like never before. Unleashing creativity and efficiency. One of the most significant advantages of AI in entrepreneurship is its ability to supercharge creativity and efficiency. AI-driven tools can automate repetitive tasks, leaving entrepreneurs with more time to focus on innovation and strategic growth. From automating customer interactions to optimizing supply chain management, AI streamlines operations, boosting productivity and profitability. Data-driven decision-making. Data is the lifeblood of modern business, and AI excels at transforming raw data into actionable insights. Entrepreneurs can harness the power of AI-driven analytics to make informed decisions, identify market trends, and understand customer behavior better. By leveraging data-driven decision-making, entrepreneurs can steer their businesses toward success with greater precision. Personalization at scale. AI enables businesses to provide personalized experiences to their customers at an unprecedented scale. Through machine learning algorithms, entrepreneurs can tailor products, services, and marketing campaigns to individual preferences. This level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction but also drives customer loyalty and revenue growth. Innovative product development. AI is a catalyst for innovation. Entrepreneurs can use AI to develop groundbreaking products and services that address evolving market needs. From AI-driven healthcare solutions to autonomous vehicles, the possibilities are vast. Global reach and accessibility. AI-powered entrepreneurship has a global reach. The Internet and AI tools have broken down geographical barriers, allowing entrepreneurs to tap into markets worldwide. Startups can reach customers, suppliers, and partners from every corner of the globe, expanding their growth potential exponentially. Reducing operational costs. AI can significantly reduce operational costs. Through automation and predictive maintenance, businesses can lower overheads, optimize resource allocation, and enhance cost efficiency. This cost saving allows entrepreneurs to allocate resources strategically, fueling further growth and wealth generation. Challenges and responsibilities. While AI holds immense promise for entrepreneurship, it also comes with challenges. Entrepreneurs must navigate ethical considerations, data privacy, and cybersecurity. Moreover, staying updated with rapidly evolving AI technology is essential to remain competitive. The wealth of information. Data monetization in the age of AI. In the digital era, data is often touted as the new oil, and for a good reason. The vast amounts of information generated every day hold immense potential for wealth generation, particularly when harnessed through artificial intelligence and data monetization strategies. Let's explore how businesses and individuals are tapping into the wealth of information to drive financial success. The data revolution. The world generates an astronomical amount of data daily, from social media interactions and online transactions to sensor readings and business operations. This data is a treasure trove waiting to be unlocked. AI, with its ability to analyze and derive insights from massive datasets, is the key to unlocking this treasure. Businesses leading the way. Enterprises are increasingly recognizing the value of their data. They employ AI-driven analytics to gain deeper insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiencies. These insights enable better decision-making, enhanced customer experiences, and ultimately, increased profitability. Personalized customer experiences. AI empowers businesses to create hyper-personalized customer experiences. Through data analysis, AI systems can tailor product recommendations, marketing messages, and pricing strategies to individual preferences. This not only boosts sales but also builds customer loyalty. Data monetization strategies. Individuals and organizations are now exploring data monetization strategies. This involves packaging, analyzing, and selling data to interested parties, whether they are market researchers, advertisers, or other businesses. Data marketplaces are emerging, allowing data owners to profit from their valuable information. AI-enabled predictive analytics. It can forecast future trends and behaviors with remarkable accuracy. This information is invaluable for businesses in various sectors, such as finance, healthcare, and e-commerce, as it enables them to anticipate market shifts and make proactive decisions. Unlocking the potential. Unlocking the wealth of information often starts with data cleaning and organization. AI can automate these processes, making data ready for analysis. Once cleaned, data can reveal insights that were previously hidden, driving innovation and revenue growth. New revenue streams. Data monetization can create new revenue streams. For example, an e-commerce platform might analyze its user data to understand shopping habits. By anonymizing and selling this data to brands seeking market insights, the platform generates additional income. The role of AI in machine learning. AI and machine learning models are at the heart of data monetization. They can identify patterns, anomalies, and correlations within datasets that might elude human analysis. This ability to extract actionable insights adds significant value to data, privacy and ethical considerations. While data monetization offers substantial financial opportunities, it also raises privacy and ethical concerns. Proper data handling, adherence to regulations like GDPR, and transparent practices are essential to maintain trust among data providers and consumers. Conclusion. Your path to prosperity. In 2024, AI isn't just about technology, it's about innovation, investment, and education. The wealth created by AI is no longer a distant dream, it's a tangible reality. Whether you're an investor or entrepreneur, embracing AI can be your ticket to financial success. The future belongs to those who understand the power of AI and seize the opportunities it presents. If you found this video insightful and thought-provoking, make sure to give us a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell to join us on future explorations. Thanks, and see you in the next video.